Yeah, hi. Today we are going to see a small iron removal filtration system which is done where for a house of about 10 people which can purify up to 1000 to 2000 liters per day. And this is the actual system which you see. The tank which is on that side is the purified water tank, and this side which is put is the aeration tank. And these two are the filtration cylinders. The water passes through this and gets collected to the treated water tank. And let's go close by, and I'm just going to show how this is going to work. The bore water is collected in this tank, and this tank the water is being sprayed. This is done because only when you spray the water and collect, the water will get in contact with the air and the iron particles will settle down. So this is called a settling tank, and after this a small half HP motor is connected just about half a feet above the tank, so that all the iron sediment impurities which are collected in this tank is sent through this drain line which is here, and from the half HP pump the water goes to the filtration cylinder where iron removal media is filled inside this, which is special media, which is a iron removal media which is of high grade, so that it removes the entire iron in the water. And then from here it goes to the second filter, and even fine impurities are also removed in this second filtration system. From here the water output, the quality water, that is the treated water output coming out of the iron removal plant, gets collected into the treated water tank. And this is the treated water tank. You can feel the difference of water. The brown water which was there is now crystal clear water here, and from here it is dispersed to the entire home.